Hello everyone, this is London TV. I am in Central Station underground. I want to take a metro. Today's video, I want to show you the end of this metro. It's a nice place. Someone told me to take you there today. This is my metro, the train for today. Yeah, we are going in, guys. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Lunda TV, Stockholm, Sweden, guys. We are taking this metro. You can see we have two sides. Another side here. We are going inside, guys. Okay? Remember, we don't talk to people, and then let's take you around, guys. We are going to another stop. Today we are going here, guys. Remember? London TVs. Always in the train, we are quiet. It's about 2 stop and we go out. The metro looks like this inside, guys. See that? Remember, in Sweden, people, they don't talk. They are like quiet like that. Everybody coming from work. Yeah. And I will show you around, guys, today where we are going. You can see people concentrate with the phone. It's a surprise to the place we are going, and I'm very happy, guys, for those who subscribed in my channel yesterday, today. Yeah, keep subscribing, we're almost there. Thank you, guys, for your support. Remember, it's not easy with this kind of. Yeah, this first stop, and we have another one, then we go outside.
Jag sa till min kompis att Jimmy och så, han bara, nej, jag tänker att det ska arbeta. Ja, men du, vi syns snart då, hörru. Ja, nu är det bara lite åt ljuset. Jaha, yes. Ja, hej. Det är ju så jävla
You see this? Another stop and then we go out, guys. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking to get out soon. Try to be patient, guys. This is the way we have normal life. People that don't talk to each other, we don't talk. Quiet like that. I was explaining another day, like
nästa Karlaplan.
Another stop, so we go out, guys.
Säkerhetsinformation: rör aldrig dörrar som stängs. Du kan skadas om någon fastnat. Dra genast i nödbromsen.
Remember, guys, comment. We are almost there. Okay. Next time I will show you another stop, guys. And those are commenting my videos. I'm very humble, very thankful, guys. Yeah. Almost there, guys. You have to take 2-3 stops to this station. Yeah, you see that? Look at this. Have you seen that window? And then we have a forest, and then we are inside the huge rock. Two to 3 minutes we are going out. Very scary, huh? I will tell you guys, just wait a few seconds. We arrive anyway. One minute maybe.
Nästa ropsten. Slutstation.
You see, this is the last stop.
Byte till Lidingöbanan och bussar mot Lidingö.
You have to change to buses. It's like Ireland, you know, this area. If you want to go to downtown, you have to take a metro or a bus from this station. We arrived, guys. And the station looks like that, or like this. And this is the other side. enjoy the video. You see, you pay to drive that side. Those camera watching on the street, you have to pay, guys. Let's go out, guys. This is the last stop of this station, and I will show you around, guys. The people are getting out from the metro. Other people are taking it. You see, last stop, guys. And I can see a nice river. This side there, there's a river there. Let me show you around. She's the one taking control of the train or the metro. A lady. Yeah. Last stop from this metro. Lunda TV, guys. I was talking a little quiet, you know. Like I tell you guys before, in Sweden we are so quiet. People don't share to each other things. And yeah. Let me show you a river and show you the station, and we call it for today. They are constructing this site, a huge construction here. I don't know what they are doing here, but there is a river there. There's two exits there and another one here. You see? And both sides the train can come from this side. This last stop anyway, you see? Look at that, guys. There's a tunnel there, and they have building on that hill. Yeah, nice area, and people are taking bus there. You can see there, people are taking bus. For those who are new in my channel, I am Lunda TV, Sweden, precisely Stockholm. I'm shooting these videos, show you around, guys. Please subscribe, comment, show some love. This area looks like this. There's a river, guys. And I think the other side there, they have like a huge ship, can take you to Finland, maybe Denmark, I think. Port. And then this side, I think you can take another train or ride a bike, cross the bridge there. Yeah, nice river, a huge one, huh? Shall I take you closer, guys? Another train, you see? Another metro comes, just came. Nice area, quiet. Look at that. People are taking buses there. And the metro is going back to another station from downtown. Enjoy the view, guys. I want to go out closer to the river, and we call it for today. Lunda. Look at this bridge. Very nice. And that side is like Ireland. You can't come closer to downtown always through this bridge, you know, connected to other sides. Yeah, and those who people live other side, they live in Ireland, a small one. Let me take you closer to the river, guys. Yeah. Let's go out. We have a lift here, this side. Let me take you closer to the river. This is fair. And this other side looks like this. Someone who can help with information, I think. See, from this side we have to take a small metro. Other side we take like, see, another small, it's closed. The bus is, it's not working. We take the bus. Yeah, see, look at that. And let's check it out, guys. This guy is giving information from this side. See the buses. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, like, comment, all of that stuff. I was up there, guys. Remember, I was up there. We are going closer to the river and we call it for today. Let's find out which way anyway, or which side. We have a bus stop here, a bridge, station of the buses closer to metro. Yeah, I think this side here. Remember, I am in Stockholm, guys, Sweden. On the TV. Enjoy the video, guys. Look at that. People are late. Go off the bus. Look at all of this bike belong to people. Yeah. We ride bikes in Sweden a lot. Yeah. You can cross to other side, Ireland, with a bike, or you can just walk. See, look at that. This side people can walk. This side, you see the sign showing you can walk this side. Guys, we have signs in Sweden, a lot of them. By following the sign, you see, I just came from there, up there. I can just follow the sign like that, and I know where I'm going. And we have cameras like this up there, with cameras everywhere. Nice double bridge is here. People are going home. I don't know if next time I will take you. Comment, guys. I have some commenter. If you will take you to other side, Ireland. Remember, DRC embassy is in this side. Yeah. I walk from here like a tunnel or something like for safety. But I want to go outside. You see, showing us if you want to walk, take this side, and then ride the bike this side. And we go inside here. There's no rules, but anyway, for safety. Remember, I just came from there, and I'm taking you closer to the river, and we call it for today. I'm very humble, appreciate for those who are subscribing in my channel, those who are commenting the videos. Yeah, I don't know all the names, but when I put your link in my video, that means I'm sharing with you kind of love. Look at this river, sick one. Wow, look at this. Look at that, beautiful. See the bridge, guys. I just come through here, the container. Look at this. And look at this guy. Yeah, I just ski. Nice area. Other side, I think. I think it's expensive too. Why it's expensive? Because it's like an island. Yeah, that side there. Look at that. You see, guys? All of people who live there, they have access to one bridge like this. See the bridge, like a bus going or driving there. Yeah, only one bridge in this side. Riding bike or walking to other side. And I think they have a boat, small ones can cross to other side. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And this is the river. Someone is riding boats there. See, crossing other side. Okay, guys, subscribe, share, and like Lunda TV, guys. One love, peace. I am out.